Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Beribes Bluetooth headphones user guide. What's in the box? User manual. Carrying pouch. 5mm audio cable. USB charging cable. Beribes 3 EQ modes headphones. Specifications. Using Smart 1 Connect 2. Following the headphones connection to the first device. After that, turn off the first device's Bluetooth. Locate the name of the headphones in the Bluetooth list section of your second device's settings, then pair the headphones with that device. Return to the first device's Bluetooth list, activate Bluetooth, and reattach the headphones under My Device. Once two devices have established a connection using Bluetooth, you can switch back and forth between the two devices' headphone connections. Superior headphones. Fit comfort. The only 0.38 pounds Bluetooth headphones and memory protein earmuff offer all-day comfort for the head and ears, and the headphones' distinctive ear cup design makes them more ear-friendly. Wired mode. If the device suddenly loses power while in use, you can put in the accompanying 3.5mm audio cable to complete a smooth toggle, and with the help of the included lightweight carrying pouch, you can continue to listen to music wherever you are. Bluetooth 5.1 and microphone technology. With the newest Bluetooth 5.1 chip, pairing Bluetooth takes just 1 to 3 seconds after startup. The transmitter range of the Beribes Bluetooth headphones with microphone is 33 feet and is faster and more stable. Beribes over-ear headphones allow you to connect two smart devices simultaneously, enabling you to take a call on your phone while viewing a movie on your iPad without switching devices. Powering the headset. Power on. Press the multifunction button for 2 to 3 seconds until the blue indicator light flashes. The headset says, "The Bluetooth is ready to pair." Power off. Press the multifunction button for 2 to 3 seconds until the blue indicator light goes off and the headset says, "The Bluetooth is powered off." Charging the headset. Insert the USB charging cable into the USB block. Connect the cable to a USB power supply that provides a 5 VDC power charging block not included. Connect the charging cable to the charging port of the headset. When the red light is on, the headset is in charge. When the red light is off, the headset is fully charged. It takes 2 to 2.5 hours to fully charge the headset. Low power indicator. When the alert tone beeps and the indicator turns red, this indicates the battery has discharged and needs to be charged. First time charging. Please be sure the battery has been fully charged before initial use. Wired headphone function. When Bluetooth connectivity is not available, connect one side of the 3.5mm stereo sound supply extension line to the headphone audio jack. Connect the other side to the audio jack of the playback device. Playback will start from the device. Warnings. Frequently asked questions. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.